In the dynamic world of business, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. As we look ahead to 2024, many small business ideas are poised to thrive and cater to the changing needs and demands of consumers. Let's explore 20 exciting small business ideas for the upcoming year and the resources, pricing, and payment platforms that business owners can leverage to succeed. 1. E-commerce store. With the continued growth of online shopping, starting an e-commerce store can be highly lucrative. Business owners can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up their stores quickly and easily. 2. Digital marketing agency. As businesses increasingly rely on digital marketing to reach their target audiences, starting a digital marketing agency can be a rewarding venture. Resources like Hootsuite or Google Analytics can help business owners track and analyze their campaigns. 3. Virtual fitness classes. With the rise of remote work and a focus on health and wellness, offering virtual fitness classes can be a great opportunity. Business owners can use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet to host their online classes. 4. Podcast production. Podcasts have exploded in popularity, making podcast production a thriving business idea. Resources like Anchor or Audacity can assist in recording, editing, and distribution. 5. Online tutoring. As education increasingly moves online, starting an online tutoring business can be profitable. Business owners can utilize platforms like Wizant or Tutor.com to connect with students. 6. Meal preparation services. Busy lives demand convenient meal options. Business owners can leverage resources like Chef's Plate or Blue Apron to offer meal preparation services. 7. Customized e-commerce packaging. With the rise of online shopping, businesses are looking for eye-catching packaging. Utilizing resources like Packlane or The Boxery, custom packaging can be created to enhance the customer experience. 8. Sustainable products. As sustainability becomes a priority, businesses offering eco-friendly products are in high demand. Business owners can source sustainable materials and use platforms like Etsy or Shopify to sell their goods. 9. Remote IT support. With more people working remotely, offering IT support services can be a profitable venture. Utilizing resources like TeamViewer or LogMeIn, business owners can remotely assist clients with their technical needs. 10. Mobile app development. The mobile app market continues to expand, providing ample opportunities for app developers. Resources like Adobe XD or AppyPie can aid business owners in designing and developing their apps. 11. Social media management. Maintaining a strong online presence is crucial for businesses, making social media management a valuable service. Using platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite can help business owners schedule and manage social media content. 12. Personalized gifts. People love unique and personalized gifts. Business owners can tap into the market by utilizing resources like Etsy or Printful to create customized and personalized products. 13. Online interior design services. As more people seek professional input for their homes, offering online interior design services can be a profitable business idea. Resources like Havenly or Modsy can assist in creating virtual room designs and layouts. 14. Pet services. As pet ownership continues to increase, offering pet services such as dog walking or pet sitting can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Rover or Wag can help connect pet owners with service providers. 15. Virtual event planning. In our increasingly digital world, businesses and individuals are looking for virtual event planning services. Utilizing resources like Eventbrite or Zoom can assist event planners in creating memorable virtual experiences. 16. Freelance writing. Strong writing skills are always in demand. Business owners can leverage resources like Upwork or Freelancer to connect with clients seeking freelance writers. 17. Personal fitness trainer. With a focus on health and well-being, becoming a personal fitness trainer can be a rewarding small business idea. Online tools like Trainerize or MyFitnessPal can aid trainers in providing virtual workouts and personalized plans. 18. Online language lessons. As globalization continues, offering online language lessons can be a lucrative venture. Business owners can use resources like Duolingo or Italki to connect with students looking to learn a new language. 19. Virtual assistant services. With busy schedules, many individuals and businesses seek virtual assistants to help manage their tasks. Utilizing platforms like Timeic or Fancy Hands can help business owners connect with clients. 20. Artisanal food and beverages. As consumers seek unique and locally sourced products, starting an artisanal food and beverage business can be a profitable venture. Business owners can use resources like farmers markets or local food co-ops to showcase and sell their products. When it comes to pricing these services, it is essential to research the market and consider factors such as supply and demand, competition, and the value you provide. Pricing can vary significantly based on the specific service and the target audience or market. It's a good idea to analyze competitors and understand their pricing strategies while ensuring your pricing covers costs and offers a fair profit margin. As for payment platforms, there are numerous options available to business owners. Some popular payment platforms include PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, and Paystack, which was bought by Stripe in October 2020 to cater mainly for African international payments for business owners and customers. Each platform offers secure payment processing and has its unique features, costs, and benefits. Popular payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, and Paystack charge business owners a fee for using their services to process payments. These fees vary depending on the platform and the type of transaction being conducted. For example, PayPal charges a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for domestic sales, while international sales incur an additional fee based on the currency conversion. Stripe charges a similar fee structure of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, with additional fees for international payments and currency conversions. Square charges 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction for in-person payments and 2.9% plus 30 cents for online transactions. Venmo charges a 1% fee for instant transfers, while standard transfers are free. Paystack's fees range from 1.95% to 3.8% depending on the transaction volume and on a per-country basis. These fees are necessary for the payment platforms to cover their costs of facilitating secure and convenient transactions for businesses and customers alike. It's important to first verify current fees with each platform, as these fees are highly dependent on any changes that might be implemented on an ongoing basis. So, there you have it, the information that you need at your fingertips to give you direction so that you can at least start your online business with a bright future ahead for you. If you found this video helpful to you in any way, do comment, like, and pass it on to others, as it might help them. Also, subscribe and choose all under the Subscribe and Notifications button drop-down menu so that you can receive notifications for all future videos on success, wealth, business, and law of attraction.